In this video, I'll guide you through how to bulk delete all DNS records in Cloudflare. This is especially useful if you're migrating a domain, cleaning up old configurations, or starting fresh with a new setup. We'll go step by step through the Cloudflare dashboard, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to safely remove all existing DNS records in a single bulk action. First, make sure you're logged into your Cloudflare account and that you have the correct permissions to manage DNS for the domain you're working with. Once you're in, head over to your Cloudflare dashboard. This is the main area where all of your sites or zones are listed. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the right account, especially if you manage multiple domains, because the changes we're about to make are irreversible. From the dashboard, select the domain whose DNS records you want to bulk delete. Just click on the domain name to open its overview page. At the top of the page, you'll see several tabs for different settings and features. Today, we're focused only on DNS, so go ahead and click on the DNS tab and then make sure you're in the records section. This is where Cloudflare lists all of the DNS records currently associated with your domain, such as A records, CNAMEs, MX records, and more. Before you delete anything, it's a good idea to quickly scan through the list and decide if you need a backup. If you might want these records later, consider exporting them or taking screenshots now. Once you're ready to proceed, look at the list of DNS records. At the very top, you'll see a header row with columns like type, name, content, and so on. Next to the word type, there's a checkbox. This box is used to select all DNS records that are visible on the current page. Click that top checkbox. When you do, you'll see that every record on this page is now selected. However, many domains have more than one page of DNS records. If that's the case for you, look for a banner that appears near the top of the list. It may say something like select all records in this zone, along with the total number of records. If you see that option, click it. That will extend your selection from just the current page to every DNS record in the entire zone, which is exactly what you want for a full bulk delete. With all the records selected, a bulk actions bar will appear, usually at the top or bottom of the list. In that bar, you'll see a delete button. Click delete to start the removal process. Cloudflare understands this is a major change, so it adds one more confirmation step to help you avoid mistakes. A confirmation prompt will pop up explaining that you're about to delete all selected DNS records. To confirm that this is intentional, you'll be asked to type the word delete in all capital letters. Carefully type delete, double check that you've spelled it correctly, and then confirm the action. Once you confirm, Cloudflare will proceed to remove all the selected DNS records from your zone. After a few moments, your DNS records list should be empty or only contain any records that Cloudflare itself automatically manages. At this point, you can begin adding new records or importing a fresh set of DNS settings as needed.